Hello and welcome to the desk of Fusta 2005 Christmas edition. Today we have a surprising news. So in my last video I reviewed the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds that I got for my wife, and today I said I wasn't going to get the sport ones because I already had the last generation and they were working just fine, but apparently my wife and I had similar ideas. She got me the Bose Sport Earbuds, the latest generation. So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of that so I can play with them a little bit on Christmas. So let's get started. So it's a very similar box to the Bose Quiet Comforts. She got this particular one from Bose itself, the website, so it comes with a thank you card, some sort of QR code on the back, and like I said, similar box, just different pictures. I'm going to be a little bit less careful with this one. See, this is what the other one had that I took off, so I could take that off. So it's very similar unboxing. I think it's actually pretty close to the same case. So right off the bat, I do have my other ones to compare. So this is the last generation. You can see the case itself is smaller than last generation, which is good. Got the branding here, same. Just this is a little bit less harder to see. And there we go. There's the buds. They're also magnetized, so very similar to the sound or the Quiet Comfort ones. Just kind of a little bit different configuration. These are blue. They're kind of more of a teal, actually. But you know, I kind of like them. They had black. They had a white one with yellow, I think, in it. But yeah, they just kind of snap in here. And I'm not sure. Let's see. Not sure if these ones will charge on let's check it real quick, on a Qi. These ones don't appear to do that, so that's kind of the extra cost, I imagine, is the wireless charging. Have to look at the back of the box here. Yeah, there's no mention of Qi charging, but it does have the USB-C charger in the back, so it's very similar to the other one. This one had micro USB, and kind of a comparison of the last generation to this generation. The last generation I did have a different color, but kind of a different way of charging. These are kind of magnetic too, but you can see it had a 4-pin configuration, and these ones have a 2-pin, so they're getting more efficient at charging, I would imagine. I would hope. So that's that. It's a pretty light case, you can fit it in your pocket. This one was a little bit bulky, a little bit heavier. Let's put the buds in here. Very similar in weight. This one a tiny bit lighter, but this case has like a slow open. Well, not really slow, but springs open. This one doesn't really do that. You have to do it manually. Anyway, enough of the comparisons. So we have those. I imagine the box is very similar to the Quiet Comfort earbuds. So we have a manual here. We have our charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. Does not come with a block. Doesn't appear like it. I didn't notice that in the other box as well. So we have 1 and 3s for the ear holders that hold the device in your ear. We got the manual. There's nothing else underneath this, I don't think. And they have more of these dehumidifier packets in there. So that's pretty much it for the box. And on that note, I will keep this short and sweet and possibly do a review of these once I play around with them a little bit and compare them to the last generation some more. And we'll go from there. So I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you guys are celebrating this time of year, and staying safe out there. And we'll see you next time.